Kia ora, everyone. Called Buzzer Ho, and I'm on an important mission today in the toy shop. I'm off to find Uma a birthday present. Hoa ke tātou, let's go. Ooh, maybe Uma will like one of these. What colour will she like best? Maybe yellow. Kowhai? Check this out. Ooh, maybe a bit too fast for her. Let's try something different, eh? Whoa! Check these out. I know Uma likes to run fast, but does she like to ride fast? Check out the wheels on it. Let's take it for a test drive. Yay! Whoa! Whoa, whoa. Turn the corner. Yeah! Oh, my hat. Wait. What about you? Nah. Ooh, you? Nah. Scorpion? Definitely not. Ooh, this might be it.
Oh, it's super soft and super cuddly.
Oh, nah. Whoa, look at all the buttons you can press. Maybe that's a bit too loud. Pēnā koe, Auntie. Hey, I'm looking for a present for my mate Uma, and everything in the store is really fantastic, but it's just not really that right for her. Do you have any ideas that I could use? Uh-huh. Oh, you're a legend. I've got the perfect idea now. Oh, Goosey. Oh, boy, I'm gonna make something for Uma out of this harakeke. Oh, this will work. I think she's gonna love it. Splitting this over there and up. Get in there, get in there. That's cool. Mickey, I'm done. Awesome, I'm finished. Oh, she's gonna love this because I made it all myself. Can you guess what it is? Oh, you'll just have to wait because it's a surprise. Shh.